Morning guys, this is a day 7 in Vietnam and today we are going to Halong Bay cruise. We have booked a tour from the city. Shin Cafe Travel in Hanoi is the place from where we booked the Halong Bay tour and it costed around 3,600 rupees per person. We did not book the tour from Klook because it was showing that the pickup is directly from the port and not from a hotel. We are going in the bus right now. This was a short break for 10 to 15 minutes and now we are going back. Before going on the cruise, we visited the pearl farm. Here you will see how these beautiful pearls are made, and this pearl farming is a very delicate art.
In our pearl farm, we have three kinds of oyster will grow. The first one, Akoya oyster. They make a bright pearl, like white color and silver color. About 2 to 3 years to collect this one. Second one, Tahiti oyster. They make a black pearl, 3 to 5 years. And the last one, South Sea oyster. South Sea, from Australia. They make a golden pearl. You can find the color of the pearl right outside. This is the longest pearl and the most expensive pearl in the world now.
They showed us the complete process how they harvest the pearls from these oysters. And here it is, the hidden treasure. Once harvested, the pearls are sorted, polished and crafted into elegant jewelry. From classic whites to the beautiful kinds of pearls, each piece carries the beauty of the ocean.
You see the white thing?
Yeah.
But when I clean, it gone. Once again, it gone. The real one. For the fake one, if you do like that, you will see the marks on the pearl.
Here you can also shop for this jewelry and also you can buy the creams made out of these pearls like the moisturizers and other skincare goods. अभी हमें पहले पर्ल फैक्ट्री में लेके आए थे, हमने सारे पर्ल्स देखे, यहाँ पे पूरा पर्ल्स का इनका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होता है। अभी इसके बाद अभी हम क्रूज़ पे जाने वाले हैं, हेलोंग बे क्रूज़। रेनी क्रूज़ है, मैं आपको क्रूज़ पे जाके मिलती हूँ। See you there. And here we are at the port, ready to set sail on our Halong Bay adventure. Just look at these stunning cruise boats lined up, waiting to take us through one of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. Time to set aboard. Get ready for limestone cliffs, hidden caves and endless ocean views. As soon as we boarded the cruise, we had our lunch which was included in our tour. Halong Bay is the UNESCO World Heritage Site and the 7th natural wonder of the world. Its water is of emerald color. Now we are going on the sun deck. Let's go. In this Halong Bay tour, they will take us to 3 destinations, that is Sung Sot Cave, Luon Cave for kayaking and boating, and our final destination will be Titov Island. So stay tuned as we explore the magic of Halong Bay. Soon we'll reach our first destination. Now we have reached the Sung Sot Cave, our first destination. This cave is also known as Surprise Cave. Nestled on Bohon Island, this cave is the largest and most impressive in the bay. But before we explore the cave, there's a little challenge, about 100 steps to the entrance. And here we are. The moment you step inside, you'll see why it's called the Surprise Cave. The massive chambers and dramatic rock formations make it feel like another world. Some of these rock formations even resemble animals and mythical creatures. Let's head to the next chamber. This one is the real showstopper. The ceiling is so high and the space is huge. Sangsot caves are limestone caves where stalactites have formed over thousands of years. One of the unique sights inside the cave is the turtle-shaped rock, which has some money placed on it. It seems to hold a cultural or spiritual significance. Here they also click your pictures and give the keychains with the same picture as a souvenir. If you want, you can also buy the photo frame from here. Let's continue our adventure. We have reached our second destination for boating and kayaking. We are at the Luon Cave, one of the most peaceful and scenic spots in Halong Bay. Unlike the other caves, this one isn't for walking. Here you get an option to choose kayaking or the sampan boat. It is advised to do kayaking only if you know how to swim. The cave itself is a natural tunnel with calm emerald water flowing through. It's a short passage, but what's on the other side is magical. Once you pass through, you enter a hidden lagoon surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. This one is the most relaxing experiences in Halong Bay, just floating through nature. After enjoying the beauty of Luon Cave, it's time to cruise to our final destination. On the way, we heard one of the cruise boats playing Chaya Chaya and we all Indians were vibing on it. We have reached our final destination, that is the Titov Island. Here you get an option to sit on the beach or to go trekking for 400 steps. And we chose to trek 400 steps up for the viewpoint. And here it is, the best panoramic view of Halong Bay. And I must say the climb was worth it. After soaking in the beauty of the views, we headed back to the cruise for the sunset party. At the sunset party, they gave us tea, fresh fruits and biscuits. It's a great time to sit back, chat with fellow travelers and take in the peaceful vibes of the bay. After the sunset party, we headed back to the port, and this is how we spent our day 7 in Vietnam. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow this Vietnam series. See you guys in my next vlog.